Hello. So today let's understand about some count functions in Excel. So there are basically a few of the count functions that I have listed here. So we will understand them using the exercise that we have here. Uh, and let's go. So here is the table, the data that we have that is present here, and the functions that we are using are not really useless. Like they are not just because I know that I am teaching you. It is because they have some use. I will share an example at the end, so listen carefully. So here is calculate the number of cells present that contains number. So here in this data, if we want to find out the cells that contains a number, so what we can use is we here use count function. So what count does is it counts the cells that are present which contain a number in it. So if I here I will select all the range that we need. I will close the bracket and I will hit enter. So as you can see here, all the cells that had the numbers are counted here. And then the next is calculate number of cells that contain a dollar sign. So how this can be done? This can be done using a count if function, right? Using count if function. So how we can do that? We will just type count if count sorry just type count if. We will select the range it is asking, and then we want to find which contains dollar sign. So we will go for dollar sign and close the bracket and hit enter. So as you can see, it has counted all the cells that contain dollar sign. Now next, count the cells which are blank. So here we want to count the cells that are blank in this data. So we will go for count blank blank, and we will select the range. So it will automatically calculate the blank cells in the data. Next is the cells that are not blank. So how this can be done? This is done using count a function. Count a count a. So what count it does is it counts all the non-null values in the table. So it will just select all of them and hit enter. So it will count all the non-null values from the data. Now here once again we want to calculate the cells that contain plus sign. So how this can be done? We will go with count and with count if, right? Count if, okay, on the wrong cell we are writing. Count if, and we will select the range. We will select the criteria, that is plus sign, and we will hit enter. So as you can see here, all the cells that contained plus sign are now here obtained. So how this can be useful is, suppose there is some data with some HR with all suppose it is automatically generated data where it feels present when the data is there, like when the employee enters the office, and it feels a when the employee is not present on the day, right? So suppose one person wants to count the number of days an employee is present or absent. So this can be done using count if function very easily. Now what you have understood, right? So what count if will do, we will just see that suppose it is feeling present when employee is present and absent a when employee is absent. So what it will we will do is we will just do count if. We will select the range in which it has all the absent and present, like days it will have. We will count, we will select the range, we will hit a, and we will hit enter. So it will automatically calculate the number of days on which the employee is absent. So by this, these small formulas can be very useful sometimes. So thank you. I hope you were able to understand.